Hi, my name is Madison. I'm a swimmer puppy, and I was born January 23rd, 2012. My sister was triple the size of me. I got to come live with my mommy May 3rd, 2012, and I got to go to ACT's third annual Puppy Palooza. My belly has been naked since the beginning, and I quickly grew to this awkward teenager. I even got some bald spots on my face while I was growing. But one day, I got stung by a bee, and ooh, that was bad. Soon after that, I was ready to get spayed, and they did x-rays just to make sure everything was okay. I sure love playing in the dirt. This is my family that I live with. I have fostered lots of dogs. I have loved playing with all of them. Sadly, some of them are no longer with us. I've been on many adventures. I got to go camping and the beach. But my favorite thing is playing in the swimming pool and killing all the hoses. I did get to go to the lake, and I loved running around. I was fetching a whole bunch of big sticks. It doesn't matter what the temperature is, I'm in my pool. If God put water in it, I'm in it, because that is where I am meant to be. I am a water dog. I am Madison, and I am 7 years old.